Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So take a look at this gold right now. Gold has given us a breakout of this our 10 period simple moving average. So we are very much likely to start getting that drop, which probably won't be very much visible by next week. This week we might not really see that much movement, but at least next week we should expect such movement. So gold, we should be expecting, a kind of like a bearish move. Now, to be able to predict this price for the next day, which is for the February 4th, 1st of February for the next day, have it in mind that a major news will be released. And I want you guys to actually watch out for that news. That news itself is going to really, really, really have effects on this our gold to USD. Right now, before I actually come into this analysis, now I want you guys to know that I've also set up a Patreon channel, and the channel is that to give out high probability trade that I think or I believe that we will have 70 to 90% chance of winning such trade. The trade that I usually trade, basically I share my daily trade, the trade that I take daily, and the trade that I'll take for the week, I actually share it there. So if you are interested, check the link below, give it a try, by the way. So actually you are going to find, you are going to very much love it. And if at the end of the day you actually don't really find the value that I promised to give you, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. So give it a try. Check the link below. So back to this our gold, right? Like I said, there's going to be a major news that will be released, and one of that news is an increase in interest rates. So once it tends to be interest rates, we tend to see gold especially drop when there's an increase in interest rates on a particular asset. you know we tend to see such assets increase or something, and one of those assets will be seen increase is DXY, because federal fund rates increase in federal fund rates, that there's going to be an increase for, is not 4.00 to 4.75. I think 4.50 to 4.75. I can't really remember right now. So there's going to be an increase. So we expect our USD or our DXY to get a bullish move. That in turn means that gold needs to actually drop. But before that news will be released, we need to go ahead and trade with what we see and not what we think. Thereby, we will go to the forward time frame. So basically, let's see if this gold can eventually, come to this resistance level, which I don't think it will happen. Well, I have a doubt. By the way, forex can actually act, crazy. We might be having, having a doubt that price might not get to this level, and eventually price will get to it. So like I said, I don't think. But if in case it actually tap this level, no problem, by the way, it is fine. But one thing I know is that this gold, we will be expecting a drop, at least to take out these lows. So for tomorrow, which is for the 5th and 1st of February, we should be able to take out these lows. And if in case we don't take out that lows on the 1st of February, then surely on the 2nd of February, that means that is on Thursday, on the 2nd of February, we should be able to take out this low. So basically, gold we start getting a bearish move. Since there will be an increase in interest rates, then we expect DXY to gain some bullish momentum for some time, kind of gain a little bit of a bullish move for some times. So that means gold that we are watching out to start getting a bearish move. Like I said, it will be more visible by next week. This week you might not really see that much movement, or you might not really clearly see it, but by next week, you'll be able to know that, okay, this gold, the downtrend, the downtrend is here, something like that. So anyway, I would watch out for, a bearish move also on gold. So what me, I would be watching out for, since prices at this level, what I will be watching out for is price to come to tap this low, possibly break below it. But let's see if in case price comes to this resistance level here, then I believe there will be a rejection that will make it drop to this, low level that we talked about. And if in case price would not go up, push up, then we should actually get that drop that will come to this low level. Anyhow, we would want to see gold give us a bearish move.